Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital. Today I'm demonstrating our days without an incident count up timers, and they count once every 24 hours, indicating a 1 day. And this is for Tropicana, this specific job, and they're going to be putting these displays into a logoed or their own panel to display the days specifically in specific areas without an incident or an accident. And they're all connected, they all increment together. And we have power supply in a metal enclosure that will connect to each one individually. And there's more than this, but we have, just for demonstration purposes, put this together. And these are 4-inch high count up timers, and they come with an increment, decrement, and reset switch on top. Now we can put that anywhere you would like, but just for simplicity, they wanted this on top, and they're going to mount this to their logo display or their artwork type media. And we also have, they ordered several of these. These are our DC-25-OEM-DAYS, and they are designed to be put into an opening into a display or your display. And it comes with this aluminum back plate and hardware. I don't know if you can see the hardware or not, but there's plastic hardware that would go through the front, and then also a red acrylic lens. Now Tropicana wanted the set switches to be mounted on the back of the back plate. Normally our set switches are on the front where you would access them through the front, and then also the AA battery backup on the back plate of these, and then also receiving power from a central power supply. Over to the left, you see the 6-inch high count up days timer, and also the environmentally sealed switches mounted on top of that, so that it can be incremented, decremented, and reset. Now to demonstrate that, to increment the days, you can just go one, or you can just hold it, and then it flies up to, and then once you release it, and then you can decrement to get it more fine-tuned to the day, and then reset to 0. All of our days up timers have this push button switch. You can get them with the wireless if you want. We also have a networkable web page that you can control your days timers. Also, you can view them through the web page. So this would connect to your internet, to your LAN or wide area network, and see the displays through that. But these are localized switches. These are specifically just for an individual awareness type signage that is being put together for Tropicana. So this is Jim again with DC Digital, and I'm demonstrating the DC-25, DC-40, and DC-60 tee-up days timers and counters. Thanks for watching.